Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel today. I got a quick video for you today to show you how to make $100 a day doing arbitrage flipping of products. Okay, so stick around, you're going to want to see this. We'll be right back in just a few seconds. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel here. My name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and this is your first time here and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, or if you've been here and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, reach down there below and click the subscribe button. Don't forget to click that bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do pretty regularly here. Alrighty, great. Also, if this is your first time here and you've been here before too, you know what we do here. We do videos on how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, general value videos, and once in a while we'll throw a motivational video in there for you too. And of course, anything to do with making money here, we help you out with too, so you help you make money online. Okay. All right. Well, with that said, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to show you how to make some money online here, pretty quick, where you can make up to about $100 a day or possibly more. Okay. So we'll get in on this here right now. Just a moment here. I'm going to switch over to my other monitor here. Won't take but just a second here, and we'll get right on this. Alrighty. Alright, so what we're going to do is come over here to a website that everybody's it's a pretty famous website that most people know about. Okay. I can't get it out of my mouth here, but anyways, everybody knows about Fiverr, right? Most people do. Fiverr is a website where you can come and you can get lots of things done for you for pretty reasonably cheap prices. You can get all kinds of like graphics and designs done for you if you need help with it, digital marketing things, writing and translation if you need to have an article written for you or whatnot, and so on and so forth, and do video animation help, music and audio, programming and tech, business, and fun and lifestyle things. Well, for today's video, we're going to come right here to the fun and lifestyle section, and you're just going to come here and like click on arts and crafts here. Okay, and that brings this up right here. Now, I've looked down through a lot of these products here, and for example, we'll just take one here, to show you what I'm talking about here, how it's easy to make $100 a day doing this. We'll take, come down through here, you see these cubed animals right here that people make. There was another one back up here, I think, yeah, cubed whale. This person says, I'll make you a cubed penguin here. And then there was, here's one that says, I'll make you a cube whale. Looks like it's made out of some sort of cloth or whatnot. Sort of like if you guys are familiar with the plush toys that they used to have years ago, they come out with. Something similar to that. And so I come on down, I was scrolling down through here, and I found this one here. It says here, I'll make you a cube pig for you. Well, let's just say we wanted to have this done. You can see that the prices start at about $5 here on the cube pig. The cube panda is $5, and back up through here, the what was the penguin, I think, was up there. Well, here's the whale, and it's starting at $5, so pretty cheap to have this done for you. So what you'd do is you'd come here and you'd hire one of these people here to do this for you for just $5, and then you can have it made and then pick it up and then bring it over. Once you get it, you can take it to eBay. Okay, everybody knows about eBay.com, right? And as you can see here, some of these products, which are the same here, here's like a white pig, a cube pig, plush pig here, and a black one, and you see what they're selling them for on here, right? That's going for $30 on eBay. eBay, you can come here and get a free account with eBay, and you can become a seller and or buyer, whatever, with just your free account on here too. So you're going to come here, do this, pick up the product from Fiverr for $5, and then bring it over to eBay and flip it for $30, and you make the difference there. So you've made $25. Now, if you do that 4 times a day, that's $100, right? You've made $100 doing that right there. Flipping these plush cube animals that people are selling on here, and there's quite a few of them here. Here's a stuffed little animal for $34. Another little silicone, that's a mold, ice cube candy chocolate mold for $12. And then let's see, here was a cube Looney Tune Porky for $13 here, $12.99. And so you can see you can make the difference. You can make the difference of, that's called arbitrage. You buy something for a low price and then sell it for a higher price, and then you make the difference in between. That's called arbitrage flipping. Okay, and it can be done with just about anything that you want to do it with. For example, even T-shirts. You can come to Fiverr and then have somebody make you T-shirts. You can find T-shirts on here where they'll make you a T-shirt print, and then you can come over to eBay and sell it on eBay for, twice as what you paid for it on Fiverr, and then you make the difference in what you bought it for and what you sold it for. And also, I did that on that same thing with, for example, this painting right here. Here's a fellow right here, artist Samira. He's got a 5-star rating on here. He's got 159 reviews, the 5-star rating, and for $5 he will paint you in a painting. It looks like an oil painting on canvas. Excuse me. And he'll paint whatever you want him to paint, and then you just pay him $5. I find that amazing. That's a beautiful painting. I mean, he's got some other ones here too that he's done by hand. These are hand works on canvas, and you can. This guy's very good artist, and you can take that and bring that stuff over here to eBay, and if we look up canvas painting, for example, if I type in canvas painting, and then you see that here's one selling for $10 here, and if we come down, it looks like let's see here, it should be more than that, I would think. Let's see here, spell it right there, might help me. Yeah, here's some canvas painting. Here's one going for $25, $13. Some a little bit cheaper. Another one at $24, $14, $18. And here's some that are up to $40 to $45. So you can see that you can come to Fiverr, have somebody paint you a picture on canvas, and then bring it over and sell it for even higher on eBay, and make even more money. See, you're making the difference between the two. That's called arbitrage flipping, right? And not only can you bring it to eBay and sell these paintings, but you can also do the same thing on like Craigslist. Now, I went to Craigslist here, and I just typed in Chicago. If you'll see up here, I took Chicago because it's a large market. It's a large city, right? I mean, you could easily do this with New York or San Francisco or Los Angeles or any large market or any large city in the world, probably. I think Craigslist is pretty much all over the world, I think. I'm not sure about that, but definitely in the United States here. And you can see that some of these paintings right here, here's an oil hand-painted on canvas, oil painting on canvas going for $170. I don't know if you can see that there. I think I'm in the way here. This one right here going for $170 right here. So see, here's the same painting. For example, any of these paintings here. But if we go to the one that I was showing you, was really nice here. We'll get back to it here in just a second. Like this one right here, for example. Kind of like a lake scene or something like that with a dock going out and with a gazebo out there on it. And this type of painting you can bring over to Craigslist, which is no different than any of these oil-based canvas paintings here. And you see they're going for 169 here, 169 here. This one's going for, well, $40 here, but up here it's the same painting, it looks like, for 160. I don't know what that's all about. But here's another one going for 170. And you can even do it with sketching, with pencil sketched artwork as well. That sells pretty good too. And on Fiverr they have that for as well. Let me see if I can find some of that hand sketched drawing. I type that in the search engine, and you know, some of these are starting out pretty high. Here's one for $15, doing awesome hand-drawn pen building sketches. Some of these, this guy here says, I will do ink sketches and drawings for $5. Here's a hand-draw portrait for $5. Another hand-drawn pencil sketch portrait for $15. And then you can bring these things over to like Fiverr, or eBay, and sell those on eBay and Craigslist. That's just two places. I'm sure you could find a lot of other places to even sell them too. Like how about Amazon? You could sell that stuff on Amazon as well, and then sell it for a marked up price. And then you just make the difference between the two through that arbitrage flipping. And basically, you're just becoming the middleman and making the difference between the price, the buying and the selling price. So it's you can do that pretty much with any products that you can find, and then make quite a lot of money doing this. So if you did 4 products at $25 a day, that's $100 a day, and sometimes even at $100 and some dollars, you'll make even more money doing that. It's pretty easy to be done, pretty easy thing that you can do. And so on and so forth, and it's a great way to make some extra money. Alrighty, guys, well, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today, was some arbitrage flipping and a quick way to make some money. It's just a short video here, and so if you like this video and you got some value out of it, reach down there and click the thumbs up button for me, and like the video. And also, if you want to see a way to make a lot of money, check out my link down there in the description where it says mentorwithkev.com. And you'll get over $3,600 worth of free bonuses to check that thing out as well. And you can take a completely free business challenge class and just see if it's a fit for you, and see if it's a good education for you in your endeavors of whatever you're trying to do. It's affiliate marketing, which is what I do. And check that out down there. I've got a lot of other links down there below that will help you out, videos in there and different things that will help you out too. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks for coming today. It's what I had for you today was arbitrage flipping. If you hang out and come back here in a couple days, I'll see you again on the next video. Okay? You guys take care and have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye now.